creating a new ArchiMate model in Archi 2. So within that is we will first is add those the new model. There's a two-way. Is one is just click this button, or is you can come to the file the menu to go to this new. So when you do the new is you may have three options, same as you click this drop-down list. Normally is you just go to our empty model. So that is like this way. So the empty model will create our default parentheses inside is the new model. Once you finishes doing something, you can change that. Or is if you don't change the name and you want to save as the file name is empty, and if you press F2 to change this my model, enter. So you can see here is star means you have something missing change save. Then here is still the empty. But if you click this save, is also open this empty one. So you have multiple way to create your model, but you cannot create a model just save empty. With the name. The model name by default is this. You can change that. Is the once I change this is in the property of the window. You can see that will come into this my model. And if I save that, so now is you can see file saying is not saved. So let me make a save as. So I just save to temp. So is my model. So the better suggestion is you save this file name is like same as what you are putting this model name. That is easier for you to later on matching each other. So once you save that, is you can see here you go to the file systems location. So say temp my model dot. This is the extension ArchiMate. So I have our the specific videos in my channel. You can find this to analyze this ArchiMate model file, the structure. So if I come to that one, so maybe it's I will not put that here. So let me see. So if I come to see temp. So I go to the temp and find this one. So make our close that. And I move to our GitHub from here. So let me say working model. So I will create our folder. So ch04. With that is I paste this. So that is our fully empty model. What I'm pasting that is I just wanted to show you is this empty model is can be viewed from our text editor. So if I open that from the this VS Code is you can see is SRXML style, so UTF-8 with XML 1.0, and here is wrapped in the group is called is ArchiMate colon model, and there's some XML namespace the property name is here. And here is this ArchiMate language, and here is the version. So that is version is keep on 5.0. So if you look at here, so this website. So if I am coming to this one, so it's just our namespace is the allies of this ArchiMate2.com. So it's the same. So the part, and then you can see several folder, and within one folder there's one element. This folder called views. So this structure actually is completely is matching to the card. This one. So that you can watch is my other video is the search that is to analyze the ArchiMate model file. Then this if later on we add something into this model, then that will make the change on the source code. So that is our new model file, and you can also have one view. That will have a automatically default view. So let me now is from here open this model with this GitHub. So let me come to here. I just move that to working model chapter 4, this one. So by default, you have empty this the view. Only when you double click open this view, this palette will be appeared. So that is the overall. So what you are looking for, and whenever you click anything here, you can see the property. Like it's the default view, the property has the min as the waypoint name, and the property has something and appearance. If I switch back to my model, is you can also have some property key value chain setting to the model, but here is you can see the file location is changed, and you can also give some purpose to your model so that people read your model get some the insights of what you are going to do. So this is the model window, and in the later chapters we will treat that as the model tree, and we'll analyze that in big the detail. You remember here is that asterisk appear on the model in the tree when change has been made. So originally it was here once I change that. So now is if I drag anything, like is I drag our actor here, you can see this asterisk is coming again because I add one element, and here need me to save again. Once I saved, both asterisks from here and here disappear. That is the way is for us to make this first new ArchiMate model. From next video is we will go into the model tree. You may see here that is first big chapter. So there's 11 subchapter, and in some chapter is there's even further. Some is the detail things, and we will do this one by one and in more detail. So see you in chapter 5. Bye for now.